Hey everyone, do you want to change your ringtone on your iPhone? It's super easy, and I'll show you how to do it in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on Sound and Haptics. Next, tap on Ringtone under the Sound section. Here, you'll see a list of available ringtones that you can scroll through and preview each one by tapping on it. Just tap on the ringtone that you like, and it will automatically set as your new ringtone. When you use a custom ringtone, you'll need to sync it through iTunes or the music app on your computer. Once it's added, it will show up here in your ringtone list. Just tap it and select it. And that's it. You've changed your ringtone in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.